Okay, we can close that query and then go to the Forms tab and New, and let's select Query Computer Folder from the Choose a Table or Query list and click the Auto Form columnar choice and OK. And now let's close that and yes to save. And let's name it Form Folders and click the OK button. Let's go to the Queries tab and open Query Computer Folders and click the View button, and let's set top values to all and save, and we can close the query and let's go to the Forms tab and open Form Folders and go to the View button, and let's change the caption for name to folder name. Let's select the name, or we could click in front of name and just type folders, but let's do it the long way. Let's resize the text box for computer, and then let's resize the letter box. We're only using one character, we don't need a box that big. And let's position the letter and folder name on the same row by selecting and dragging the text box and the label and adjusting the size as necessary so we can get everything on one row. Now, let's drag it across and let's select the label and drag that up and position it. And we can put the size and percent used on the same row as well. We can reduce the size of that box. That's only going to be a small number. And drag that one across, and then let's drag the label up. And then we can resize that a bit and click the View button and see the effect. And let's click the View button again. Now let's add a text box with its associated label below size, megabytes, and the percent used on that bottom row. You see you get a label along with the text box. Let's reposition them, and let's change the label text to other space, let's reposition the box a bit, and then we want to select the box and click the Properties button. And then right click in the the control source property box and choose zoom, and let's type equals HD size in square brackets minus size in square brackets, and click OK, and then close the property sheet. Now hold the shift key and select the labels for computer, hard drive size, letter, size and other space, all the ones on the left hand column, and then go to the format menu, vertical spacing, make equal, and then if some of the rows are a little bit out of line, we can select the labels and text boxes on those rows, or we can drag some pieces around, but let's select all the labels and text boxes on one row here, and then go to the format menu, align, select bottom, and that'll line them up on that row. And now we can click the save button, and let's go to the view button and see the effect, and we can close the form.